Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to open the control panel in Windows 10. So you may need to go into the control panel as there's a few things you can do within the control panel. For example, you can add or remove users. You can basically change certain things related to your computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So there's a couple of ways to actually access the control panel, but by all means the most simplest and the most quickest way to get there is if you come down to the taskbar and you've got a search option here. If you go ahead and click the search option and just type control panel, and what's going to happen, it's going to display some results and you'll see it's at the very top here, control panel app. Just go ahead and give that a click. And that's going to open up your control panel. So there's things you can do from here. You can change your appearance and personalization. You've got to add different users. You've got, for example, clock and reach. So to change your date and time, you can uninstall programs from your computer. There's a lot you can do from here. But by all means, that is the most simplest and quickest way to do it on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below, where if you click that link, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.